Mineral Test Grade 8 Science. Multiple choice. Identify the choice that best completes the statement or answers the question. 1. As magma cools, its blank combine into compounds that form a crystal structure and it becomes a mineral. A. Atoms, B. Elements, C. Electrons, or D. None of the above. Number 2. Minerals are comprised of one or more blank. A. Colors, B. Elements, C. Rocks, or D. Structures. Number 3. A mineral is classified as an ore as long as A. It is rare and valuable, B. It can be used as jewelry, C. It is profitable and useful, or D. It is a solid and natural. Number 4. A collector of minerals would want a sample of A. Salt, B. Coal, C. Sugar, or D. Wood. Number 5. The largest group of rock-forming minerals consists of the blank. A. Quartzes, B. Halides, C. Silicates, or D. Oxides. Number 6. One of the softest minerals is A. Topaz, B. Quartz, C. Talc, or D. Amethyst. Number 7. All minerals share the following characteristics except that of blank. A. Being formed by natural processes, B. Being formed by living organisms, C. Being solids, or D. Having the atoms within the mineral arranged in a pattern. Number 8. All minerals share blank basic characteristics. A2, B3, C4, or D10. Number 9. Muscative mica will peel off in flat sheets. This is an example of the physical characteristic called A. Hardness, B. Streak, C. Fracture, or D. Cleavage. Number 10. Calcite will scratch gypsum. This is an example of a physical characteristic called A. Hardness, B. Streak, C. Fracture, or D. Cleavage. Number 11. The properties of being blank make a diamond a gemstone. A. Rare and beautiful, B. Useful and profitable, C. Easy to obtain and beautiful, or D. Rare and profitable. Matching. Match each term with the correct statement below. Number 12. A mineral is an inorganic blank with a unique crystal structure. 13. Some minerals are formed when blank cools. 14. The term crystal system refers to the patterns that blank form in crystal. Number 15. When liquid evaporates, atoms of any dissolved mineral stay behind and form. Number 16. Tests for hardness and streak help blank minerals. Number 17. Two types of blank are metallic and non-metallic. Match each term with the correct description below. 18. Color of a powdered mineral. 19. A measure of how easily a mineral can be scratched. 20. The tendency of a mineral to break along a smooth, flat surface. 21. How light is reflected from a mineral. 22. Minerals mine because they contain useful substances. 23. The tendency of minerals to break with rough or jagged surfaces. Completion. Complete each statement. Number 24. According to figure 3.2, blank is the most common element on Earth's crust. Figure 3.2 shows that together oxygen and silicon make up blank percent of Earth's crust. Number 26. Based on figure 3.2, you can infer that most common rock-forming minerals are blank. Number 27. Although 90 elements occur naturally in Earth's crust, figure 3.2 shows that 98% of the crust is made up of only blank elements. And number 28. Blank percent of the Earth's crust is made up of calcium. Short answer. Number 29. What determines the type of crystal structure in a mineral? And number 30. How would a collector of minerals determine the hardness of an unknown mineral specimen?